Okay, I hope everyone join this session without wasting any time. We'll start. So the thing is that you have to complete those who are enrolled for 2 month internship. At least you have to do one project for 2 month people. Those who are for coming for 3 month internship, so these people at least you have to do two. Okay, if you do like all the project, it is beneficial for you to learning the concept, and it will be helpful when you are going for an interview. Okay, so I recommend you to at least try whatever the things that you are able to complete or not, that doesn't matter. Your effort matter. Whatever things you are learning from the class and your research on the basis of it, you like you are working and you are making the things. That's the thing matter. Okay, and whatever thing you are doing, I request everyone that maintain a Git repository. What the project, like whatever project you are doing, you can maintain it over there. Okay, like whenever you are working on a group project, so you can do that. Whatever you are doing, like weekly basis, you can update in there what you are doing. Okay, so follow this. This will be very crucial technique, and it will be helpful for you also. So the thing is that you have to maintain the Git. Okay, one thing is Git. Second thing is like how many project you have to do. Okay, I hope everyone is received the requirement. Okay, like what's the training session or plan, and the project what you have to do. Received or not? If yes, gives a thumbs up. Okay, Varun is giving thumbs up, and all the people. Okay, all right. Uh, okay. Next. And also you received that is with whom you have to work. I hope like three, four people in a group, you have to do a group project. If you like, it's better approach to work with a group, because whenever you are working in a company also, you have to work on group. So if you work on group, so you can understand what's your potential, where is your drawback. That's the thing you have to know. If you do individual, it's okay, all right, there is not an issue. But in here the internship, you got the opportunity to work with other people, to learn about the others mind. Uh, so I'll encourage you everyone that work on the group project. Okay, okay, that's the thing. And I hope you might be received the like with whom you have to work, so you guys can create a WhatsApp group. You can communicate with them, and you can start working on the project. So what the thing you have to do, like I think your project is reviewed in between 25 to 27. So I don't want anyone that the folks are doing overnight project. Okay, I'll caught them inside and marking them zero. Why I'm telling that, I face like this kind of student. They are randomly picking any sample, and at like last at anyhow they are completing the things. I'll not encourage you to do this. Always perform consistent. That means whatever you are learning, so on the basis of it, at least if you, I know that you have college and all the things, so in this case you can work on at least Saturday Sunday to sit for 2 hour. Okay, 2 hour Saturday, 2 hour Sunday. So whatever thing you are doing, so okay, my voice is visible. Actually, in my area, power cut is there. That's why the internet is gone. Somehow I connected. So my voice is audible, right? Okay, all right. So what I'm telling that, uh, please work consistently. Okay. I'll pick all the people's question. Okay, don't worry. The thing is that work consistently. Uh, Whatever, like it's a month wise things like month one review. So we are break it down into weekly. So what the thing you can do? So you can like start working on week once. If you are good to go, you understand the things, then work on week two and similarly. Okay, so that you will learn the core things inside of it. Okay, it will be helpful for you whenever you go to industry. Okay. Okay, now people are asking, Avinav is said, sir, in project one, clinical recruitment and analysis, will it be working on real anomalies, critical trial data? Okay, if you're talking about the data set, so I'll tell you there is not any specific data set I will provide you. So do little bit research on it, okay? And in open source, you can collect the data set and work on it, okay? Second is, can you share the sample report form? Okay, in report form, basically you have to conclude whatever thing you are doing. So you have to take a snap from there and paste it. Like what the thing is mainly, you feel that's the thing is required. Okay, the report should be within 3 to 6 pages. Okay, not more than that. Try to conclude with 4 to 6 page. It will be better. Okay, so whatever the things you are creating, like how you are doing the things, so give a glance so that the stakeholder is like they are saving their time after reading the things, they are easily understand. Okay, so uh, regarding report, create a report within 4 to 6 page. There you have to mention whatever step you are followed, not in details, like what you feel that is required. Okay, and take the snaps, any charts, graph related things you are using, do like add these things. Okay, so I hope you understand about the data set. And now the report. Third thing, you are asking that what the KPI must focus. So, like I'll explain the things regarding KPI, what required KPI you can implement. I'll tell you. I'll coming on this point. For adherence monitoring, which patient material most should you drop the risks? Okay, one by one will like one by one we'll explain whenever we are deep dive into the project. Okay, I'll coming on you, Abhinav. I hope everyone understand about the report and dash uh, dashboard. Sorry, dashboard. I'm telling uh, data set and report. Okay. Now, one question from Dhanush. Sir, in this project description, they mentioned the tool for front end. So is that the role for front end tool in data analytics? So see, so usually, the people are making simple kind of Power BI, Power BI dashboard and the EDA things. Okay, earlier we also follow these things, but right now we think to make it this project more better. That's why we are implementing that the things. Okay, don't confuse in between class whatever the thing is required. I'll discuss like don't confuse to see this front end, back end, React related things. I'll also giving you the whatever thing is required, like how you can clean the data, how you can use the pivot chart table, EDA, how you can use all the libraries, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Scikit-learn, the tool that is Power BI, all the things I will guide you how you can do. Okay, so don't confuse in it. Okay, what the project is given to you, that is very much advanced real-time work. If you are done with it, I assure you like you have gained lots of experience on it. Okay. Okay, now so coming to Saurabh's question, sir, all the project we have to receive will you be explain concept how to approach, or else we have to do by? No, it's my I have to explain the things. I will break it down for you guys, like how you can do. Okay, but rest of the things how you can do, I'll guide you. But the thing you have to implement by your own. Okay. During this case, if you have feeling any issue, any problem, you can ask me. I'll try to figure it out, or else you can you guys are connected to each other. You can discuss. If any help, any help need from my end, you can ask me. I'll help it out. Okay, in class only. Next, coming to Sanjay question, in this month, how many project review we have to complete? In every month, one project review will be conducted in between 25 to 27. So till the time, if you you have time, okay, don't confuse right now. Concentrate on the understanding of the concept, okay, and try to implement the things. In 3 months, if you take, at least you have to do two. Okay, you have enough time, Sanjay. Okay, now receive. It's request for pick you a project and explain everything. Obviously, I'll break it down for you. Okay, I'll right now I'm working in this project. Okay, that means how you can do it. I'll break it down and write it in the like word. Okay, I work on it. I'll share it with you guys. Okay, don't confuse. Okay. Any more question if you have, please ask me in today's class. I will clarify your question doubt so that like you can start working on the project. Okay. Uh,
Yes, sir.
Atul, Atul is raising his hand. What question you have, Atul?
Sir, like in my group, there are four members and two are
Hmm.
the foreigners. So, like, how are we going to connect? Like, they will be having different time zones. They will be having different time zones, and among them, one of them, we are unable to add him in the group as I think the number he has provided is not the WhatsApp number.
Okay, all right. So, whatever you can do, you try. You told that how many people you are able to connect, you can connect. Okay, and start working on it. After this, you connect you see all the people's you can connect also others people to understand in which way they are doing. Okay, so if anyone is not responding, it's not your mistake. You do your best to connect and build a team. Okay, try to connect them. If they are not connected, not an issue, you can start working on it. Meanwhile, in this time, if you feel any issue, you can ask me. I will help it out. Okay, I hope it's clear, Atul.
Yes, sir. And just
Okay.
about the project, sir, like as you will be explaining it,
Yeah, I'll
but
break it down for you guys so that you can you can get a glimpse about it, how you have to do, what the thing is. I'll break it down for you guys.
okay, okay, sir.
Okay, Aman Malik is question. His question: what will be the timing of the training session? So, in the timing session will be fixed. It will be 9 to 10. Okay. In this time, we'll connect weekly, 2 time or 3 times, whatever they decide. We will connect in this time. Okay. Which tool we are using to do this? I'll tell you. Okay. Just first checking the project, then on the basis of it, we will decide which path we have to follow. So usually, whenever we are working on the things, simply we are using Power BI, Python, SQL, whatever you mentioned, that is absolutely correct. Correct. Python libraries like scikit-learn, matplotlib, seaborn, all the things where you are like we are used. But I have to check the project, what the requirement is given by our client. On the basis of it, I'll guide you. Okay. Any more question? Meanwhile, from till 9:30, I'll question, answering your question. Then to 9:30, I'll start explaining the project. Okay. Meanwhile, you have 10 minutes. If you have any question, you can ask so that I try to understand what is actually thought process is ongoing in your mind. I'll clarify all the things today.
Yes, sir. I have one question. Like, we have a team of 4 members with the internship duration of 3 months.
Hmm.
So we have to complete the two projects in 3 months. So, like, my question is like, all the members will together will complete the two projects, or we need to
Okay,
divide?
I'm getting your point. See, so I'm telling that if you are enrolling for 2 month internship, you have to do one, and if you're enrolling for three, you have to do two. Okay, in this case, it might be you are facing this kind of things. You try to connect your friends who's in your team. So try to connect them. If they are connected, it's okay. Try to work with them. It will be helpful. Okay, if they are not responding in this time, take your own ownership, do deep dive into it, and start working on it. Okay, this is the best approach. If you do alone, you will learn lots of the things. Okay, first try to connect them. It's if it's okay, good. If not, start working on it. If you face any problem challenges, let me know. I'll help it out.
Okay, so no need of dividing the entire one project into task and present it as a team, or we need to present it as an individual.
No, whenever we are going to review your project, so if you come with the whole project with team, so I'll tell you that share the screen and explain your work here. I'll call one by one with the team, if you divide the things into A, B, C, D parts. So I'll call that who will start who start the project. Okay, so they come first, then second, then third, then fourth. So if you are doing in group, so I'll divide the work into 4 members. So commit or like accordingly so that you can explain your work. This approach we will follow whenever we are going to review.
Oh,
Okay. Aman is asking one question. Basically, we have to take the data from net by own or will provide. So I'll not provide because the thing is that if I do one thing, so there is no varieties coming. So that's why I give the transparency to my students so that they can pull dataset from anywhere and try to make it unique. Not do usually whatever the people are doing. Do little bit unique. Use your brain to complete it. Ankita is asking, sir, do you have submit and any weekly update on the project? Okay, I will make it for easy. I will make it easy for you right now. Not any right now. I don't need any update weekly. So take a breath, understand the logic, and build it. We'll see your work at the. I told you na 25 to 27. In this time, I will review your work. Okay. Meanwhile, if you feel that anything you need to discuss, you can connect in class. I will help you. I hope, Ankita, it's clear. Please share your number. So see, we can't share with the personal info. If you have any question, any doubt, we have 1 hour session in here. You can ask me. I'll help it out so that it can help to others also. Okay. All right. I hope I can answer the question. Next, come to the uh, project thing that you have to do. Okay. Just a minute. So I'll request everyone don't confuse to see the project and the requirement things. I'll break it down for you. Uh, yeah, I'll start the things. See, so one thing I want to tell you that Don't confuse to see the user requirement. Okay, I'll help you to understand the things. Next, you have to do little bit research and start working on it. Can I use three tool in Power BI project? Yes, you can use. So I told you now, on the basis of it, we have to check which thing is required to do. We'll work on it. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. I hope my screen is visible. Okay, Aman is giving thumbs up. All right. So here you can see that in month one we have to do. Okay, my screen is visible. Okay. So here you can see that uh, project. Okay. Uh, so we have to develop a project. The name of the project is clinical trial patient recruitment and adherence monitoring. Okay, so you can see that problem statement is given, that is pharmaceutical companies and research organization face the cost of the delay when the clinic trial failed to recruit the patient, okay, on the schedule. Furthermore, the monitoring patient adherence to trial protocol across the multiple uh, cities is complex and often manual, risking to integrity. Okay, so you can understand that here one hospital related things is there. They are this, some people are facing any issue, so how we can figure it out. So this is the real time problem, how we can do. Okay, so I'll break it down for you, here you can see that use case is there. Okay, so how you can implement the things, you can see that develop a central command center for the trial manager to monitor the recruitment funnels and the patient adherence in real time. That will the solution will analyze the data and the electronic data capture, that's called EDC system, to identify the recruitment uh, bottleneck and the specific site for forecast element composition data and flag patient at risk of the non-adherence or dropout. So this is the things. Okay. So you can see that here the wiggly things is given here. Now I will tell you what you have to do. Okay. You can see that I'll create something for you guys. Okay, so whatever the things is there, you can see. So if you try to understand what the project is, like one sentence, so I'll tell you, you have to build a secure central command center. Okay, that is like that ingest uh, some EDC, which I earlier told you. Okay, EDC, you have to export the model requirement funnel, and you have to use some KPI that will visualize the recruitment and adherence uh, in Power BI. So there you can use Power BI. Some people are asking the tool. So here you can see that you have to use Power BI for uh, demonstrate uh, the dashboard. Okay, there you have to add. Okay, and the produced of a dropout risk score, like per patient, so trial manager they can act in real time. So that's the thing I understand. So on the basis of it, I'll create the things. Okay, in one word, Next, like how you can do. Okay, if you write all the things, so it will be a very messy things for you. Like you thought that what the thing basically you have to do. Okay, so second thing you can focus on. You have like it's a very high level architecture. How you can break it down. So for this, like you can do that yeah, like you have to collect some raw data. Okay, so it might be in Excel form, in CSV form. You can export into EDC. Okay, here I am talking about EDC. Okay, so there you have to clean the data, whatever thing is required, you can do it over there. Next, you have to come in over here, that is ETL or ingest. Here in Power BI, you can open your Power Query to simplify your uh, data. Okay. Then you can use Python. Like if you need that Python, you can use Python for like any libraries. If you need, you can use SQL to clean SQL to clean join anything if you feel that you can need it over here. Okay, so first understand you have to collect the data, then you have to summarize the things using Power Query. You know that from here you can transform the things, whatever, like basically you have to clean the data. Okay. Third thing is data model. Okay. That means you have to create a schema in Power BI uh, that is a fact table or the dimension table. Okay. That means all the information in which you are working. So you have to summarize it over here. Okay, next thing you have to work on the DAX measurement in for KPI. Okay, so like if you want to add something, so uh, you can work on DAX. Okay, in DAX query you use like KPIs. Here I am like mentioning something, uh, funnel, rate, velocity, adherence, this kind of things. Uh, you can use machine learning to drop out the risks of the prediction. Okay, like why you are using if you want to predict something, if you want to uh, predict something, you can use the ML. Okay, that can reduce the drop of port risks. Okay, you can use like train offline with Python. It will save your time. You can use scikit-learn, score, and like import the result. Okay. Next you can do that is visualization and UX. You like a Power BI dashboard you have to create there. You can giving the glimpse into enrollment overview, recruitment funnel, site leaderboard, patient adherence. Okay, patient details. That are the things you have to add it over there. These things you like if you feel you can do or you can ignore security and ops. Next you have to come that data modeling and sample schema, how you can do. Okay, so this is the things I'll giving you some demo. Okay, if you follow it you can understand that what's the data model it is and how you can create the schema. You can see that lots of the things I'm writing over here. So on the basis of some data I'm writing, you just go it go through over it. You can understand the things. Okay. Now you can come into data engineering and the compliance. That is our week one and week two's requirement. So our goal is to design the model, and you have to ingested some data. Okay. That is enforce compliance. Okay, and you have to calculate what the data and what will the KPIs record you have to do. Okay, see here, I'll clarify the things for you guys so that you can work on it. Okay, uh, in day one, you can work on study protocol and if CRFS. Okay, that means you have to read the trial protocol and the things that can help you to determine which field you need to work. Okay, like you have to define the adherence. That means the visit compliance, like who is actually coming, who is going, all the things you have to measure. Meditation, percentage, dairy, this kind of things. Okay. Day three, you can work on like data modeling design, that is like schema. Schema means all the things come under one roof. Okay. So you can work on the CSV. Okay. Day 4 to 7, like you have to work on ingest, you have to ingest your data and you have to uh, work on it. Okay. Basically, you have to open your Power BI. There, you have to clean your data. That's the thing I'll giving the demonstration here. Okay, check it over once. Okay, so that you can understand. So, what the thing you have to keep in your mind? Remove the direct like names and contact that will help you. Keep only necessary demographics. Okay. Log transformation for the audit. Okay, ensure the data set stored into secure location. Okay, that's the thing, keep into mind. Next thing is ETL transformation. Okay, so how you can do? So in Power Query and SQL pattern, you can do like normalization, normalize site code stream. If you feel okay, I'm not telling you properly follow this thing. So after checking the requirement, what I believe, so I mentioned that the things. Okay, so on the basis of it, you can first check that if you need anything to eliminate, to trim, if you feel any gap is there, any null values are there, you have to figure it out. Okay, that's why I'm writing the things for demo. Okay, you if you like once you read, you can understand the things. After the class, I will send you. Okay, so this is nothing but what the things I'm writing that is help you to understand the project. Next thing, you can focus on Power BI data modeling and relationship. How you can do? So for this, you have to load your clean data set. There you can like dimension table and the fact table that you have. So from there, you can try to establish the relation from there. Okay. Like mark the date field to use a data table, that things will help you. So here you can use the DAX measurement. Simply if you want to add something, you can do it over there. So in DAX, it's a kind of formula related things. If you like want to figure it out, so here see, here I am using count the row. That's why I'm using DAX. If the requirement is not there, you can don't use the DAX. That is absolutely okay. Okay, so all the like calculation and percentage related things is required for this data set. So that's why I'm writing over here. Next things, you have to remember the dashboard page and the visuals, like what to build. So this is the main agenda. Okay, so you have to design it very clearly that each page should answer the specify manager question. That means here we have to justify our manager. We have to answer our manager question. That's why I'm writing it. Okay, so you have to enroll the overview in the main page. That means you have to add the top KPIs over there, like target, or enrolling the remaining, like what the percentage of the patient are there. You have to forecast some enrollment completion date. So everything is depend upon business. So you have to predict something here actually come into picture, scikit-learn and machine learning. Okay. Whatever is required for this, you can do. So here you can see on the basis of the data, I'm writing something. Uh, Recruitment, funnel page, site performance, patient adherence dashboard. So once go through into it, you can understand. In week 3 tasks, you have to drop out the risk prediction. Okay, that means you have to build a model to flag patient at high risk of the dropout or non-adherence. Okay, so you can create it on the basis of the age, like the gender, country, the region, so that you can figure it out easily. Okay, you can use machine learning for here, like prepare the data set, train and test the split, handle the imbalance. If you have into your data set, you can work on it. Okay, that's the thing. Okay. Next is you have to focus on row level security. That's called RLS. You can see into the project requirement they are mentioning again and again RLS. So RLS, like it's implement RLS to the site staff so that they see only their site data and they can monitor all the things. How you can approach? So you can see that in Power BI desktop, you can create a site user for the filter. So there is filter slicer drill down that the things you have to use. Okay. Next, you have to test and validate other things, that how you can do that. Data validation tests are there. So don't confuse in it. So in which data I pull, on the basis of it, I'll write it over here. Just go through it so that you can create an image into your mind. So this is the user requirement. On the basis of it, I read the things so that you can understand what the thing is actually ongoing. Okay. Next is the regularities there, the UATs there, user acceptance tests, like so that you can use how your work is actually creating and ongoing. Okay. Next, you can deploy and the schedule the refresh. That means you have to publish the Power BI service into a secure workspace. They are actually checking the things what actually you are doing. Okay. Next, the thing is that I'll conclude the things of what you have to do, like data engineering and modeling. You can see that will be helpful for you. Okay, that's the thing you can follow to do it. Okay, I understand that it's a kind of hectic things for you to understand. That's why I'll once again I'll clarify the things for you that will be helpful for you. Okay. I'll only told few things. Focus on it. It will be helpful for you. I cover all the things. Okay. Don't confuse. I'll tell you. See, if you have to understand the project. Okay. So first understand what's the problem statement. Okay. Read it 3, 4, 5, 10 times until you are not able to understand. So I'll giving you the idea what it actually try to say. So this project actually build a safe dashboard. Okay, this project is build a safe dashboard that shows how a like clinical trial. Understand? Clinical trial is recruiting the patient. Okay, which which site are doing well and which patient might stop following the protocol. So manager can fix the problem first. Okay, I hope you understand what I try to say. So in our project, we try to build a project like this project is actually we are going to create a dashboard that shows how the critical trial is there for the patient and who is following and not. This is the technical things. I'll simplify the things for you. Firstly, you have to focus on like the trial needs to write the number percent blah 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 things is mentioned over here. So you can like do that a single slide with funnel image. Okay, a single slide of a funnel image and the icon of the clock and the money, you can add it for the first page. Okay, second thing, you can do like what we can build. Okay, so you can do you can take a mock screenshot with like 4 boxes that label to enrollment, overview, funnel, leadership, adherence. This terminology you can find it over here. So you have to make like you have to create a screenshot on it so that it can point which box they want to build first. Okay. Okay, two things I clarify, that is dashboard related things and what you have to do. Third thing is like the data. That means like here it's mentioning that we have some sample CSV file and blah blah blah. So simply you have to sort the tables with examples. Like column wise you can say there is any screening related things is there or not. You can open your CSV file to find the patient ID. Okay, that's the thing you can do. Next, you have to clean and you have to clean your data set. That means like Power Query, you have to open into your Power BI. So there you have to check that like column types and anything is there and any mismatch is there or not. Okay. Next, you have to build any model. Okay, that means like a small star schema I'm talking about. So a small star schema you have to create in a diagram, so that there you can giving the information about the team patient, the fact enrollment and the visit, how many people are visiting or not. That's the thing you have to do into Power BI. Okay, in there you can add some KPI with plain language. That means the cards of the total screen, like that the total enroll percentage of the random and the sample formula. So here you can use that screen failure rate is equal to failed screen divided by total screen. Okay, or velocity, if you have, you can add it over there. Next, you can do like a recruitment funnel and the bottleneck. Okay, that means somewhere it mentioning that is uh, like a funnel visual and a small table with the failure reason and the count. You have to work on it. That means you have to build a funnel visual. There you are using the count from the like screening and like enrollment table, add a table of failure reason. So that's the thing you have to add. Next, you have to work on adherence or risks. That means you have to work on, you have to add some calculated column in Power Query or Tax Query, like the like what the risks. If the high risks is there, if like that is greater than equal to 70 or less or more, that giving you the medium risks, low risks. Okay, you have to work on it. uh, and you have to showcase the lead board. That means you have to sort the site of the velocity and add of the like formation. Basically, you have to figure it out using what the thing is required and what is not. Okay, and at the last, I'll tell you that it is very crucial step. You have to add like user side map if you are using on the table, and you have to use some sample role filter for the site ID that will help you to figure it and maintain all the things. Simply, that's the thing you have to do. Whatever I mentioned, don't confuse. I'll write it over here something. Okay, and all the thing is required. I'll write it for you guys and send you so that you can understand. I understand that in today's class, lots of the students have lots of questions. They are not able to understand the things. uh, don't confuse. I'll write it over here. You can go through into it. I hope it will be helpful for you. Understand in first day they are not able to understand. But trust me, follow the process. It will be helpful for you. Go through the project requirement and whatever I said shared with you guys after this class, I'll share you. Go through into it. I hope you are able to understand. Okay, on the basis of it, you can start working. If you feel any problem, challenges, you can ask me in the next class. I'll help you to figure it out.
Sir, I have one question.
Yeah,
So the basic, like an overview I got is like we have to collect the data, then we have to convert it into a CSV
data
file.
set. Like you have to make the dashboard. Hmm.
Yeah, for a dash to make the dashboard, we need to collect data first, right? Then we will do cleaning and all.
Yeah, Power
Then we will
Query.
make the dashboard.
Uh,
So, like, to collect, how we are going to collect the data, like from.
so for this, like you have to little bit research of it, that on the basis of the project requirement, what data set you feel suits, you can use. Okay.
Okay, and one more thing that there was one part in which they were using the ML, but like we
So
don't have
for
any
train the
idea about
model, you can use scikit-learn.
and the
And
The testing part.
So testing is nothing but so you know that alpha testing, beta testing, that means the user acceptance testing. So you have to basically check whenever you are deploying, like in previous, that whatever you like preparing, that is properly working or not. That's the thing you have to check. That's called UAT.
Okay.
I understand,
Hello, hello.
Atul and all the people. It's kind a little bit tricky for first day, but trust me, go through the documentation. It will be helpful. Who is there?
Hello, sir. How many dashboards project in Power BI? How many dashboards create in Power BI pages?
Uh, you can create one. Okay. Like if you feel that it's not required, you can add one more page.
Okay. And sir, how many rows in using from the data set? For example, 15, 1 lakh. How many rows?
See, it's like how I told this. We have to check. That's why I'm not giving you something specifically. Okay, check little bit. Whatever suits for this project, pull this data set.
And sir, what is
Or
the
at least medium kind of data set. There is some values are there that will be helpful for you to understand.
can you send one data set for using the for examples for screening for data sets? Can you share in this
See,
group?
data set thing, I'll giving you total things. If you want to know anything from me, concept related things, I'll help you. But like why I not interested to giving the data set? The reason is it like everyone is working on same data set and it looks very boring. Okay, that's why I told that pull on your choice so that lots of the work we can see into the review. I
Sir.
understand, like you understand the things.
Yes, yes, sir. No issue. So, what is
That's
the
why
last date of
if you
first
need
project
any help
submission date?
that this portion I'm stucking, you can ask me. I'll help you.
Okay, sir. No issue. Thank you, sir. What is the last date of first project submission date?
So I think it's in between 25 to 27. So we be prepared within 25. Okay, you have three
Uh,
weeks.
okay, sir. 25 to 26. And sir,
So
daily report are
prepared
compulsory from this
within
project.
25. Huh?
Sir, daily report.
Daily report, I'll not giving you extra burden. Right now, focusing on building the logic, understand the concept. Then I will check last of this, like whenever you complete with all the things, I'll check then.
Sir, can we download the dataset from Kaggle?
Wherever you feel you can go.
Sir, which tools is used for in this project? For example, Power BI, Tablets, Python, SQLs.
You can use. So you have to use Power BI. You have to use the Python libraries for store the data. You have to use SQL. Whatever suits you, you can use it.
Sir, one query. Sir, actually, Python we are using for the visualization.
Hmm.
Python we are visualization is compulsory.
We need to check. Okay, because if see there is using some parts, matplotlib, cborn, all the things, then we have to uh, use. Like basically, we have to check once. Okay, if
Ah, yes,
required,
yes.
I'll mention you.
No
Sir,
issues.
sir, those internship period is for 2 months. Sir, we have to do only one project.
No, you have three project. I
Okay.
told you at least you have to do one project. If you capable, if you confident, you do three. I'll appreciate the work.
Okay.
Hello.
Sir, how to submit for this project
How to?
after completion?
Sorry, I'm not able to understand your query.
How to submit for this project
Okay.
after completion?
See, after completing your project,
Okay.
admin team is send you some mail. In over there you can submit your work after reviewing. The backend team is also there. They are deep diving into your work. On the basis of it, they are marking and all the things is actually happening.
Sir, only for dataset sharing, yeah, screenshot, Power BI screenshot sharing, sir. Yeah, GitHub link directly share.
You are asking me to send the data data set, right?
Okay,
So regarding dataset, I told you now, you can use any dataset on the basis of your understanding and requirement.
okay, sir. No issue.
Yeah. Okay. Shruti is asking something.
Hmm. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Basically, we have to create the dashboard like that. We have to you means that we have to visualize the project.
Hmm. You have to do, but if you go to the glimpse of it, it is okay. But you have to go through all the things whatever mentioned in the user requirement. Okay.
Means that actually, sir, I asking to you. At the end, we have to just create the interactive dashboard, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, how we are going to show, like, I'm confused about how we are going to show you the progress we are making. Like, suppose today was the class, we have discussed it, and we start working on the project, and the next class is on suppose on next Monday. So,
Hmm.
like, up to that, how we are going to let
Okay,
you
I
know that we are
understand.
doing.
See, if I follow this step, lots of people are there, it will be taking more time. So, the thing we follow, whatever the genuine doubt and question you have, okay, so we'll concentrate on this portion. So it will be helpful for others to understand. If I sitting to check everyone's work, then I can't giving you the theoretical things whatever is required for you to go through. Okay, so that's why I'll not review right now anyone's work. I'll end of the time I'll review. But if you anything need help from my end, you can help me. You can ask me. I'll help you.
So, we have to just present you the project on either 25th or 26th, like we have to
Yeah,
submit it.
yeah.
Other than that, we have nothing to
I
show you.
need to check your final output.
Okay.
Okay, but see, if you have any genuine issue or problem, I'll really appreciate. You can ask me. I'll help it out in class.
Okay, got it, sir.
Okay. I hope you understand. I'll not telling that simply. I'm not checking the things. Whatever the problem doubt you have, you can share your screen and you can ask me. I definitely help you. Okay. Any more question? Okay. All right. Thank you,
Hello.
Tim.
So,
Yeah.
what is the next date of meeting?
So admin will share it with you guys. Follow the WhatsApp or Gmail, whatever they are providing. Follow there. You will get the update. Okay. So I today my agenda is to giving the overview about the all the things that is required to project. From next class, I will focusing on the training. You received one training related information. So one by one, I will cover it out. Okay. Any more question? If you don't have any question, then I'll conclude the session. Waiting for my question answer. What's your question, Sobit? Please unmute yourself. What if someone is fully unknown about all the skill and totally beginner in this field? How will make the project without step-by-step training on the particular step? So for this, I hope you received something that is one is project related information and what is related training information. So on there you can see that month one trainings, week one session one, you can see that orientation class that is related on the project. In class 2 you can see that data collection strategies, implement method, all the things are over there. So I am here first 30 to 40 minutes I explain whatever topic is mentioned in the training, so that they are capable to understand the logic. Then if you have any question I'll answer it, and like project related any question I'll answer and help you guys to build your work. So in this way we will continue. I hope Sobit you are able to like you are getting your answer. If anyone is beginner, then I will here for you guys to teach each and everything. Not only this, I will help you to understand how you can clean the data, how you are performing EDA, how you can learn about the statistic, k-mean clustering, all the thing whatever is required, like what the basic thing is there. Also, I will help you to understand. Like I will help you to understand and grasp the concept. Okay. All right. Can you send the report which you used now? Explain. Yeah, I'll share it after this class. So today is the 9th and review will be 16th. Uh, uh, since the plan was weekly, how can we complete everything? Let whatever the thing is required, I'll complete it within 26. Don't worry. So you guys focus on grasp the concept and work on it. Rest of the thing, uh, you don't have to think about it. I'm here to do it. Okay. If anything is unknown for you, you can tell me. I'll help it out to understand. I hope I answer all the people's question. Okay. So whenever you started, one thing I want to tell you, lots of question you right now in your mind. I understand also if I in your place, I have also lots of question. But trust me, if you start working on the project one by one, everything is clear to you guys. Okay. But make sure you understand the logic and start working on it. Lots of the things is clear whenever you start working on it. This is the pro tip, what I believe. Okay. Thank you all for attending today's session. We will see you in the next session. Thank you.